Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're talking about 5 surprising foods that can actually help you lose weight. These are foods that you might not expect to be healthy, but they can be great for weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet. First up, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right, chocolate can be good for weight loss. The key is to choose high-quality dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or higher. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help with weight loss. It's also been found to reduce cravings for sweet, salty, and fatty foods. Just be sure to eat it in moderation. A few squares a day should be plenty. Next, we have avocado. Avocado is high in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's also a great source of fiber, which can help with weight loss by keeping you regular and promoting healthy digestion. Avocado is also high in potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure and support healthy weight management. Try adding sliced avocado to your salads and sandwiches, or even just eating it on its own with a sprinkle of salt. Third on the list is sweet potato. These tasty root vegetables are high in fiber and packed with nutrients like vitamin A and potassium. They're also relatively low in calories, making them a great choice for weight loss. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which can help to prevent cravings and overeating. Try baking sweet potatoes and topping them with a little bit of butter and cinnamon for a delicious and satisfying snack. Fourth, we have nuts. Nuts are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can all help with weight loss. They're also a great source of plant-based protein, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Just be sure to choose unsalted varieties and eat them in moderation. A small handful a day should be plenty. Nuts can also help to reduce the risk of heart disease, which is an important consideration for anyone looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. And finally, we have olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which can help to improve insulin sensitivity and promote weight loss. It's also a great source of antioxidants, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Just be sure to use it in moderation. A couple of tablespoons a day should be plenty. Olive oil is also a great replacement for other, less healthy fats like butter and vegetable oil, so it's a great choice for cooking and baking. So there you have it, 5 surprising foods that can help you lose weight. Remember, it's important to incorporate these foods into a balanced diet and to always practice moderation. And as always, be sure to speak with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thanks for watching.